There's no one sleeping down here tonight, so it feels kind of spooky. I feel very naughty, but I want to go to exploring. And this is my room. Well, that's the view out of my bedroom window today. Not too bad. I knew this cruising life was for me. I knew it. I've got a roommate. That's a really massive fly. Is it a fly? It's like a freaking fly hybrid. The dreaded tiny hotel bathrooms are about to get tinier. Well, that was the most amazing bathroom tour you've ever seen in your entire life. Just need to do a little bit more showing off about my view. Seriously, it's so beautiful. Ah, you're back! What is your problem? I think you owe me half of this room fee, seriously. Ooh, boats! Are you sick of seeing boats yet? Because I'm not. I freaking love them. I really, really love them. I seem to find myself in a kayak again. This is the second time in as many weekends. Not sure how I'm feeling about it, to be honest. It's fun. Yeah. Dinner time, and I'm putting some makeup on for dinner, making an effort because everyone here is bloody hot. Seriously. I had to take a break from dinner to show you where we've stopped. It's so incredibly beautiful. Okay. It's 9 o'clock and as you can see I'm in bed. That's probably the biggest gripe that I've had so far with the cruise, is that after dinner service there's really nothing whatsoever in terms of entertainment. I think there should be a games night or maybe a lounge act or something like that, but there's really nothing. On the plus side, my fly is still here somewhere. I saw him just before. I'm gonna call him Arnold. Where are you, you cheeky little bugger? Yeah, that's how good the entertainment is. There he is. I'm talking to a fly. Morning. One more time. I'm going to show you the view outside my bedroom window because this is what I woke up to this morning. It's breathtaking. It really is breathtaking. It's stunning. I could get used to this, seriously. Wow. I don't really want to leave, to be honest.